Assalamu alaikum. Here I am Shahbaz Hussain. So the further extension of the topic inverse proportional or inversely proportional. So first one, the main key of this topic is express relationship using proportional notation and the general equation for those variables. This is the first key step to express the question in the general equation by using the proportional notation, by using the proportionality constant of proportionality, which is equals to k times, to attach the variable equation for those variables whatever the variables are. And the second step is find a final equation for variables linked by inverse proportion. This step means that we have to find the value of k, then we have to write the equation again to link the both the variables whatever the variables are, x, y, a, b, c, d, and all that. So find an equation for variables linked by inverse proportion. In previous lessons you were studied that, you will know that how to find the value of k and how to link the two variables and how to write the equation. And then third step is find equations for variables inversely proportional to squares, cubes, or roots. So we have to find the equations by using the general equation, by using this second step equation. When we modify this equation, then we go on to this step, then we further go on to this simplification to find the further equation, to find the further values, to find the further unknowns, whatever the unknowns are, in the form of squares, in form of cube, or in form of roots. So we are going to move on the question number 1. This is the classwork question. So first we have to read the question. T is inversely proportional to n. When n is equals to 2, t is equals to 108. So for the first equation to solve, we have to stop there. We have to find first to equation of the general equation, which we can use in the further steps. So if we have to find first step to find the equation linking t and n. So first we have to write the equation. T is inversely proportional to n, so we have to write t is equals to k divided by n. This is the general equation. This is the proportional sign. This is the proportional sign. So now substitute the values of t and n. We got the value of k, which is 216. Now write the equation, final equation. T is equals to 216 over n. Next move on b part. When n is equals to 6, now he gave us the value of n and he says that find the value of t. So we use this general equation here. T is equals to 216 over n. We know that the value of n is 6. We use this value of n in the equation. Now we got the value of t, which is equals to 36. Now the main thing is first we have to find the general equation by using the first two values to find the value of k. Then we have to write this general equation. Then we use for each step, how many steps are there? It's b, c, d, e, f. How many steps? So again and again you have to use this general equation to find the further unknowns. So the c part is, he said that t is equals to 24, find the value of n. Now he gave us the value of t. So first step is to write the equation t is equals to 216 over n. Now the value of t is equals to 24, 216 over n. Now cross multiply, n is multiplied by 24. We need the value of n. 24 is divided by 216. We got the answer. N is equals to 9. So this is the final answer of C part. Now you can see that total 3 parts of the question. This is the huge skill question. So first we have to find the equation, then we have to find the value of t, then we have to find the value of n. So there we have total 3 parts of the question. Next, moving on, question number 2. So question number 2 is again the inversely proportional question. He says that x is inversely proportional to y square. So first we have to write the equation x proportional to 1 over y square. So in inversely proportional we have to write the equation in divide form. So here the general equation x is equals to k divided by y square. Now we substitute the values of x and y. X is 5, y is 4. Here we have to substitute this 5 and 4 square. 4 square is 16. 16 multiplied by 580. So we got the value of k is 80. So here is the general final equation of x is equals to 80 over y square. Next, moving on to the b part saying that y is equals to 2, find the value of x. When y is equals to 2, find the value of x. So we have to write general equation first. X is equals to 80 over y square. X is equals to 80 over 2 square. 2 square is equals to 4. 80 divided by 4 is equals to 20. So we got the value of x is equals to 20. Next, the value of y by using the value of x is equals to 5. Next, again put in the equation x is equals to 5. 80 over y square is there. 80 divided by 5, it becomes 16. 16 is equals to y square. So we have to need simple y. So taking square root, we got y is equals to 4. So these two questions are basically the total complete questions of the inversely proportional type questions. So next, there's simply difference between the variables and the quantities and the values. The all questions are same as these questions. So next, moving on to the homework, which is the total 7 questions. So you have to submit this one as a assignment as well, or has to be complete this homework like a test, like a assignment. So you got the marks. So first one question, q is inversely proportional to the square of t, where t is equals to 4, q is equals to 6.5. First I have to find the value of k and write the equation and calculate this one. Next, question number 2 is same as p is inversely proportional to m. The values of p and m is given. Calculate the value of p and m. Next, question number 3 is p is inversely proportional to d, where p is equals to 100, d is equal to 0.5. Again, the shutter speed of s of camera varies inversely to the square of settings. So f is equals to 6, 150. First find, calculate, then further parts. Next, question number r is inversely proportional to t. 6.1 is f is inversely proportional to d. Values are given. D is 150, f is 512. Next, question number 7 is y is inversely proportional to x square. This is x square. So y 5, x is 12. So here here are the questions for the homework. So you have to solve these questions. If you feel any kind of difficulty, any kind of hurdle in solving these questions, so you can directly contact and you can directly ask to how to solve these questions. So be conscious about the homework. Everyone, take care, stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.